Tapanda is an electronic kit that includes a large breadboard and many elements on magnets. The breadboard connects to a computer and transmits data. Let's build a simple circuit to turn on the LED. Here we see how the currents are flowing. The set includes an electronic textbook with many exercises. For example, let's open an exercise on building an oscillating circuit. Check the result and move on the next exercise. If the circuit is built incorrectly, the program will report an error. The breadboard also has a built-in Arduino chip which can be controlled with the scratch. Let's use it to blink the diode. These are the outputs of the Arduino. We will connect a diode to one of them. Let's make a simple program. Working with the kit makes programming much more interesting.